Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure SEMrush to build competitor gap analyses, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open SEMrush and log into your account. Navigate to the Domain Overview tool located in the left sidebar. Enter the domain of your primary competitor to analyze their performance. Review the overview metrics such as traffic, organic keywords, and backlinks. Take note of the keywords that are driving traffic to your competitor's site. Next, click on the Keyword Gap tool in the left sidebar. Enter your domain and competitor's domain for comparison. Select the metrics you want to analyze, such as search volume or keyword difficulty. Click the Compare button to generate the gap analysis report. Examine the list of keywords where your competitor ranks but you do not. Identify high-value keywords with substantial search volume. Use filters to narrow down keywords based on specific criteria. Take note of the keyword difficulty to assess your chances of ranking. Now, navigate to the Traffic Analytics tool in the left sidebar. Enter the same competitor's domain to gather insights on their traffic sources. Review the estimated traffic and main traffic sources for the competitor. This will help you understand where you may be missing opportunities. The next step is to explore the SEO Content Template tool. Enter the identified keywords to generate content recommendations. Consider factors such as readability and incorporation of keywords in your content. Next, go to the Backlink Gap tool from the left sidebar. Here, enter your domain and your competitor's domain again. Examine the backlinks your competitor has acquired that you haven't. Identify high-quality domains linking to your competitor. This can help you strategize future backlink acquisition efforts. Finally, compile your findings into a report or spreadsheet for easier analysis. Analyze the data and begin formulating strategies to fill the identified gaps. Regularly revisit these tools to track progress and adjust your strategy as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.